In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Gmail screen. If your inbox looks a little too large or you want to see more messages at once without scrolling, zooming out is a quick and simple adjustment. This doesn't change anything in your Gmail account, it only changes how the page is displayed in your browser, so you can tailor the view to what feels comfortable for your eyes and your workflow. Start by opening Gmail in your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. Once Gmail is open, look toward the top right corner of your browser window for the menu icon. In Chrome, it's the three dots. In Firefox, it's usually three horizontal lines. Click that menu to open your browser settings. In the panel that appears, find the section labeled Zoom. You'll see controls to adjust the page size, along with a percentage indicator that tells you how far in or out you are. Click Zoom Out to decrease the size of everything on the Gmail page. Each click steps the zoom down a bit, so you can fine-tune it until your inbox shows the amount of information you want. You'll notice the percentage change as you click, which is helpful for landing on a level that feels consistent and easy to remember. If you like using keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster way. On a Windows PC, press and hold the Control key and tap the minus key. On a Mac, press and hold the Command key and tap the minus key. Each tap lowers the zoom level gradually, shrinking the interface so more emails and controls fit on your screen at once. Take a moment after each press to see how the layout looks. The goal is to make your inbox compact but still readable, especially for labels, dates, and subject lines. A quick tip as you adjust: keep an eye on the browser's zoom percentage if it's shown, because that gives you a clear reference to return to next time. Also, remember that zoom is applied by the browser to the page you're on, so it's a visual change rather than a Gmail setting. If your screen is small reductions can make a big difference, so go slowly until you reach a comfortable view. That's all there is to it. Open Gmail, use your browser's zoom out control, or use the keyboard shortcut on Windows or Mac, and fine-tune until it's just right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.